Alright, so time to do some level designs. So where do we get started? Okay. Right. So first, let's make this area with some houses. Let's populate with some houses. And for that I am going to use this. What are these? These are assets from Infinity Bed Village. So maybe we can use some of them. Let me see. No, this is not something we need. Maybe later. I saw some houses here. Something like shanty. Yeah, these are the houses I was talking about. Alright, so how to place them? Okay, first I'm going to use more than one of these one instance of these houses, so therefore I drag and drop them into this foliage section. Okay, let's create foliage types. Right, and I'll go to single instance mode. Let me deselect all. Right, and I'll select this type. Now let me select all of them, and let's disable this align to normal option, and also random yaw, and I'll set the collision to block all for now. What else? Is it offset? Let's keep it like this. Scale, I'll keep it uniform. Right, now I'll select all 4 of them and place here. Now I'll go to this select mode, and let's move them like this. Okay, so we can place this type of things near the water. Yeah, they work. This one, no, this one is not suitable here. I'll move it to more flat ground. Well, it would be easier for me if we have something like base for these houses, but unfortunately we don't have that. So maybe first we should create some base for these houses. To do that, okay, then let's make this area flat. I'll select the flatten tool and select this component. This is too big definitely, and I'll select the flatten mode to rise. So in that way I can make sure that the ground will only rise, it will not go down. So let me flatten this area like this, because I'm gonna place some houses here and also here. Okay, is this still horizontal? Let's delete this and paint again, because I'm not sure if the rotation of that object was changed after modifying the ground. I think I should create a new level for this. Let's call it village. Now let's call it island. And then I'll select this option, place in current level, and let me delete this again and place them all again, so that I can load and unload this area as I need. We can remove the grass later. Let's delete, or we can move this tree a little further from the building. Where's the front? Oh, this is the front, this is the back side. Okay, cool. What about this one? Maybe we should place it here. Okay. Oh, we got another one here. Let's move it closer to the water. Right. So here I keep the Alt pressed and move it, so that way I can easily duplicate the object. That's not good. What else I can do? Yeah, let's place another one here. This looks like snow on the roof. Oh, we can change the texture later. Let's just create a village. Anyway, that's all I got at the moment. I think we should level this area before placing further objects. Let's remove grass. Yes, the no grass layer. Okay. Oh, not all the grass. There should be some grass at least. What happened? Right. So yeah, this video will be less talking and more doing, because I don't really have a theory or anything to explain. I'm just keep doing this. Maybe we should put on some music. otherwise it will be boring. Here's the front side of this. There is no front side. Oh wait, what? This looks ugly from that side. So yeah, I want this to look like some kind of a slum area because this is the lowest part of the city, and therefore in the higher part there will be some better buildings, or in the lower part there will be just slums like dirty buildings like this. I think it would be better to find a procedural way to do this. Otherwise, I will be like 50 years old when I'm done with this. Anyway, let's try. Let's create some walls here, some wooden bridges like stuff here. We had something called scrap bridge. Yeah, maybe we can use this somehow. Let's see. Yeah, scrap bridge tool. Let's use these. Select these two and disable random AO and disable align to normal, and I'll place two of them here. Okay, they are underground it seems. Now let's select them and move up. Is that the same thing? What's the difference? A little bit different, I guess. So where should they go? Maybe like this. They look uniform, but that's alright. Can we work on them? Let's multiply them a little bit to create some structure. So this area would work like, basically would work like a small harbor for fishing boats and stuff. Let's do the same thing in this end as well. So actually I will have to go through a lot of iterations. So basically I am placing the main objects here, and then after that like detail objects, that means like boxes and other smaller stuff. I will have to do that in another iteration. I don't need this. Can we place some of these alongside? No. Okay, what else? Alright, now let's paint the path. Road layer. which leads to this, and also here. Cool. Now this, there is a gap here, maybe we need to add a ramp here. Let's do that later. Okay, what else we can add here? I think we need more buildings. Let's make this area flat. And remove grass. And get this building here. We need some randomization, otherwise they look stupid. Okay, now where is this? Level. The island level. It doesn't have a location. It should be here. that means position is 0. Now let's give the position of this section 0 minus 600 9 600 and 0. Otherwise it will not be loaded. Wait, oh, I can't do that. If I do that, everything will be moved. So first I'm gonna have to move all these foliage into another level, and then I'm gonna have to move it. But yeah, maybe let's keep them. What's this section? In this section, oh, let's look into that part later. First let's design the village. And yeah, I think for now I'll stop at this point. So maybe if you don't think showing this part is not necessary, you can comment it, so I will skip recording these things and I'll show only the final result. But if you enjoy these things, even though I am a bad level designer, I will show everything. So yeah, this is the first iteration and I'll stop at this point for today. So if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.